तुमका मोगाच्यो येवका.
To teach your children and yourself, we from Vishwa Konkani Kendra have started a beautiful Learn Konkani classes. Speaking Konkani, how to speak and spread the Konkani language. There are several classes taking place regularly with teachers and students. Please see them and show it to your children also. We also have a learnkonkani.in website attached to our beautiful website. This also gives 34 lessons in where Konkani can be learned by you and your student in a very simple way taught by a trained Konkani teacher. You are welcome to these classes and website. Do teach your children how to speak good Konkani.
आज आम्ही हांगा चौथे पाठाक मेळ्ळ्यात. सांगाता आमचे ओटो दिवा आणि ध्वनी हांगा मेळ्ळ्यात. येया शिकुया. ध्वनी टेल दिस. व्हॉट इज दिस? हे कसले?
हे आमगेले दोळे. These are our eyes. हे आमगेले दोळे. आमका दोन दोळे आसात. We have two eyes.
आमका दोन दोळे आसात. We have two eyes. The Konkani word for two is दोन. We have two eyes. आमका दोन दोळे आसात. This is my right eye. This is my left eye. हो मिगेलो उजवो दोळो. The Konkani word for right is ujwo. हो मिगेलो उजवो दोळो. हो मिगेलो दावो दोळो. The Konkani word for left is दावो. हो मिगेलो दावो दोळो.
ध्वनी टेल अस. व्हॉट इज दिस? हाका कसले म्हणतात?
हे गाल. These are our cheeks.
दिवा टेल अस. व्हॉट इज द अदर नेम फॉर चीक?
The other name for cheeks in Konkani is polo. Ho migelo polo. Ho migelo gal. The Konkani word for cheeks is polo and gal. He migele pole.
हाका गाल म्हणतात. हाका पोलो म्हणतात. Now दिवा and ध्वनी will show more parts of the face. दिवा हे कसले?
हे आमगेले नाक. This is our nose. हे आमगेले नाक. The word for nose in Konkani is नाक. हे मिगेले नाक. आमका एक नाक आसा. The word for one in Konkani is एक. आमका एक नाक आसा.
ध्वनी show your nose.
This is my nose. हे मिगेले नाक.
तुका कितले नाक आसात?
म्हाका एक नाक आसा. I have one nose.
आमका एक नाक आसा. सगळ्यांक एक नाक आसा. स्टुडंट्स, व्हॉट इज दिस? हाका कोंकणीन कितें म्हणतात?
हो आमगेलो कान. This is our ear. We have two ears. आमका दोन कान असतात. हो मिगेलो कान. हो मिगेलो कान.
ध्वनी आमका कितले कान आसा?
आमका दोन कान आसा. We have two ears.
दिवा आम्ही कानात किती घालतात?
आम्ही कानाक झुमकी घालतात. The Konkani word for earring is झुमकी. आम्ही कानाक झुमकी घालतात.
आम्ही कानात झुमकी घालतात. Now tell what is this beautiful part? हे शोभित अंग कसले?
These are our lips. हे आमगेले ओंठ. The Konkani word for lips is ओंठ.
दिवा which are these lips?
This is my upper lip. हे मगेले वयले ओंठ. The Konkani word for upper is वयले. हे मगेले वयले ओंठ. हे मगेले सकल्ले ओंठ. This is my lower lip. The Konkani word for lower is sakalle. He megele sakalle ओंठ.
Now tell me what is this part? हे खंचे अंग म्हणून सांगा.
This is our neck. हो आमगेलो गळो. Our neck is tall. आमगेलो गळो लांब आसा.
दिवा आम्ही हाका आणि किती म्हणतात?
आम्ही हाका कंठ म्हणतात. This is my neck. हो मेगेलो गळो. हो मेगेलो कंठ. The two words for neck in Konkani are गळो and कंठ. हो मागेलो गळो. हो मेगेलो कंठ.
आम्ही गळ्यात माळा घालतात. आम्ही गळ्यात माळा घालतात.
The Konkani word for necklace is माला. आम्ही गळ्यात माला घालतात. We wear a necklace on our neck.
We wear a necklace on our neck. आम्ही गळ्यात माळा घालतात.
Now tell me what are these white parts? हे धवे अंग कसले?
These are our teeth. हे आमगेले दात. The Konkani word for teeth is दांत. हे आमगेले दांत.
दिवा आमका कितले दांत आसात?
आमका वयले आणि सकल्ले दात आसात. These are my upper teeth. These are my lower teeth. The Konkani word for upper is वयले. हे मिगेले वयले दात. The Konkani word for lower is सकल्ले. These are my lower teeth. हे मिगेले सकल्ले दात. दात धवे असतात. Teeth are white in color. The Konkani word for white is धवे. दात धवे असतात.
Tell what is the last part of the face? हे सकलचे अंग कसले?
The last part is chin. सकलचे अंग खडकी.
दिवा what is there on the chin?
There is beard on the chin. खडकीचेर खाड नातल्यार दाढी असता. The Konkani word for chin is खडकी. The Konkani word for beard is खाड or दाढी. आमका खडकीचेर खाड नाजाल्यार दाढी असता. खाड नातल्यार दाढी दादल्यांक असता. Males have beard. The Konkani word for males is dadle. Khad nasla dadi dadla asta.
Khad Bailang Asna. The Konkani word for female is Bail. There is no beard for women.
Bailang Khad Asana. खडकीर बायलांक खाड आसना. आज आमगेलो हांगा 4थे पाठ संपता. आम्ही 5व्या पाठाक मेळया.
Our 4th part ends here. Let's meet again for the 5th part.